So the hound dog deck is clean. We're done cleaning it. So now we can go into production here. There's a lot of mud around here, so I had to put these blocks through so we can step on these blocks in order to get up onto this deck without spreading a bunch of mud and dirt and grime. This was black. This was solid black. Whatever treatment he was having put on here every year turned this solid black, and also that treatment layer had a bunch of dirt and grime and mildew embedded into it. Really causing this to look really horrible. I've got it back to where it had an original coating of this sort of orangish brown color. Whatever this stuff is, I'm not sure. Probably some type of semi-transparent stain. It doesn't have good adhesion. But we're back to a point where I feel like the Kong armor system can come over top of this, encapsulate it, grab it where it can, and lock the rest down. Pretty deck system. All this was black, all of it. And tomorrow when it's dry, you guys will be able to see really actually how clean it actually is. This is as clean as this one gets without starting to take on damaging the wood. So this is it. Any further than this and we start talking about gouging in the wood and that type of situation, and it's just not worth that. A pretty little deck system. We're gonna come in. Looks $1 million better now that it's clean to start off with. But we're gonna come in and just encapsulate this whole thing. Thick build, industrial elastomer everywhere, this whole thing. And it'll be really pretty. We'll get started on it and see you guys later.